Today we're going to be taking a look at a super easy way to buy all types of CD keys for a much lower price than they would usually go for. The website you're going to use for this is scdkey.com. Here you can buy the cheapest keys for video games of almost all platforms, memberships of almost all platforms, gift cards, and operating systems. So speaking of operating systems, let's take a quick look at Windows 10. So as you can see, this website is saying that Windows 10 Pro would normally cost like $55. They must be comparing it to some other random place on the web because Windows 10 Pro usually costs $200. This place is selling it for $14, which is insanely less expensive. With some products on the site, you're going to get that pretty huge discount, while others are just going to be like $1 or $2 off, but hey, why not? So back to this, when you're purchasing stuff, you can see what regions this key will work in, if it's in stock or not. You can change the quantity of how many you're buying, and in the corner, you see how it says to activate. So when you click on that button, it'll pop up with an instruction manual, which gives you an easy to follow guide on where and how to get your key code entered in. Every key has their own specific and corresponding guide. Also, if you do happen to buy Windows 10, the people at scdkey.com were nice enough to give me a code to give to you guys, which you can use to get another 10% off. The code is SKTC, so enter that and get another 10% off your purchase. So just taking a look around the website a little more, you can see there are some categories that you can go to, including Steam, Origin, Xbox, Uplay, PlayStation, PC, gift cards, and then there's some plus thing for upgrading your membership. So let's click on Steam and start scrolling just to give you an idea of what's available. There's a $100 gift card for $95, PUBG for almost $21, Ark for $40, Doom for $9. As you can see, they have a pretty good selection of stuff you can buy. And if you're looking for something specific, then you can just go up to that search bar at the top. So let's just search Call of Duty, and boom, right off the bat we have Black Ops 3 for less than 20, Black Ops 2 for almost 17, and then a bunch more stuff. So yeah, definitely check out scdkey.com before you buy for the full price, because chances are you'll find it on here for at least a few bucks cheaper, and who doesn't love saving money? Thanks for watching. The link to this website is in the description below. And before I go, you guys should know that yes, this is a sponsored video, but don't worry, any opinions I express within the video are mine. I wrote the script, and I wouldn't make a sponsored video about something that I didn't personally like. Anyway, make sure to subscribe for more upcoming videos, and as always, I'll see you guys in the next one.